Very good morning all of you. Today in this video we are going to discuss about Science chapter 15 Air Around Us. So what is air? Air is the mixture of gases, dust particles and water vapors. It is essential for the life on the earth. Air has many components in it, but it doesn't have smell or color, but it exerts pressure. Atmosphere. The layer of air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. There are 5 layers of atmosphere. These are exosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere and troposphere. Composition of air. As you know, air is the mixture of many components and gases. All together makes the air around us. So let us start with one by one all the components of air. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is the major component of air composition. It takes up nearly 78% of the composition. But it does not support burning. Instead, it is used to extinguish the fire. Oxygen. As you all know, oxygen is very important composition of air. As you know, oxygen is essential for life on earth, as all the living organisms need oxygen for their survival, and oxygen also important for burning. Without oxygen we are not able to start fire. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide makes up a small component of air around us. Plants and animals consume oxygen for respiration and produce carbon dioxide. Even when we burn something, carbon dioxide is also produced. Water vapors. We have learnt earlier that air contains water vapors. As you know, when water is evaporated from water bodies due to heat of sun, water vapors are formed. The presence of water vapors in air is important for the water cycle in nature. Dust and smoke. The burning of fuel also produces smoke. Smoke contains gases, dust particles, even harmful gases also. Dust particles are always present in the air. Experiment to prove dust is present in air. Find a sunny room in your school or home. Close all the doors, windows from the curtains so that room becomes a dark room. Look carefully at the incoming beam from the hole. You are able to see dust particles moving here and there in the air. This experiment shows that air also contains dust particles. Properties of air. These are some properties due to which we can know the importance of air also. Air occupies space. Air is present everywhere, including in water and soil. As you know, aquatic animals also need oxygen, dissolved oxygen in water for breathing, and plants also use air from the roots. Air is transparent. air is colorless, air is essential for life on earth. Recipe of air. Recipe of air is composition of air which have 78% of nitrogen, 20% of oxygen, 1% of argon and other gases, dust particles, water vapors all together combines to form air around us. I hope all the topics related to the chapter are clear to you all. Thank you and have a nice day.